Hi, my name is Siri Sang. For this project, I constructed the usability questionnaire, conducted user interviews, and oversaw the presentation.
Hi, I'm Leah Henderson, and I was the project manager. I recorded meeting minutes, assigned action items, oversaw the ethics, and conducted the usability study.
Hi, my name is Igor. I conducted user interviews and the usability study, as well as generating and refining the requirements throughout the project.
I'm Mark, and I'm the Chief Application Developer. Hello, my name is George. I was responsible for spearheading the low-fidelity prototype design, and I acted as the chief producer for the low-fidelity and high-fidelity videos.
Information on the UW Plaza and its stores is now accessible to UW students in a convenient and centralized form. For example, students who stay up late may not know where they can access food and services. In addition, a centralized and easily accessible rating and feedback system to assist students in choosing a suitable dining and shopping venue within the UW Plaza is not available. The combination of these factors does not allow for the actualization of ideal business and customer relationships.
Our goals are to create an accessible, convenient mobile solution that 1. Provides relevant, centralized, and up-to-date information on the UW Plaza stores, 2. Improves business customer relations, and 3. Improves sales of stores in the UW Plaza.
Here we provide an overview of our design process. First, we establish initial design requirements by interviewing primary user of the app, which includes students and the business representative, in this case a Williams manager. With this, we design the initial low-fidelity prototype. The initial rounds of evaluation entail several short interviews with students shown in the LFP.
Here we see the changes that resulted from the evaluation questionnaire following the low-fidelity prototype. The main change was that transitions between screens have been changed to conform to a typical iPhone user expectations. Instead of using buttons to navigate different screens, users can use a swiping gesture to flip through. This also led to the reduction of buttons and decluttering of individual screens. Overall, the design was well received, and so we proceeded to implement the medium fidelity prototype on the iPhone platform. When we progressed from the medium fidelity prototype to the high fidelity prototype, there was another round of evaluation in the form of student interviews and questionnaires to gauge if our solution fulfills the goals we had initially set out. There were a few significant changes to the design that resulted. First, we expanded the map to full screen view rather than half screen. This improved visibility and clarity of the map screen. We also added a filter to the design, allowing users to filter stores by categories for more efficient navigation of UW Plaza stores.
For the high-fidelity prototype, our usability study indicated that 100% of users thought store information was presented in a clear and uncluttered manner. 100% of users thought the promotions were too cluttered. 80% of users stated navigation across screens was consistent, although many remarked more links were expected between the map, promotions, and store screens. 80% of users stated the application was easy to use. Fourth-year students stated that they would use this app but would not pay for it because they already felt familiar with the plaza. Implications identified from our usability study include that the promotion screen can only be improved by working with the stores to provide less cluttered promotions. Our usability study showed us that working in partnership with the UW Plaza stores was optimal in order to comprehensively improve our app. There were also varying comments on the map view, all of them insinuating a difficulty in navigating the screen. These comments would have to be reviewed in more detail, and a further study could be completed to better identify improvements for the map view. Furthermore, it was identified that fourth-year students would not pay to use this application. A usability study aimed at upper-year students specifically could help identify what needs they may have that our UW Plaza application could address. In addition, users expected more links between the different views. For example, a store's promotion should link to the store page, which in turn should link to the map view. A comprehensive navigation system would make the app more intuitive for the user. Finally, our option to send a private message to a store owner was not yet implemented for the high-fidelity prototype, but the idea received positive feedback from users. We would make sure to implement this feature in the next prototype iteration.
Okay.
You heard of the new UW app?
No?
It's for the Plaza. It's in the App Store.
Oh, great. I need to find a restaurant.
Yeah.
This application contains UW Plaza information. Available on the mobile phone at any time. It is simple and easy to navigate. With just a few clicks, you can find what you are looking for. This meets our goal of creating a convenient, accessible mobile solution. Oh, awesome! Check out the 2-for-1 pita deal! This application provides up-to-date information on promotions, as well as store hours and menus, including specialty items. With a quick look at the map view, you can see what stores are open at that time and which stores will close soon. This meets our goal of providing relevant, up-to-date information on the UW Plaza to its customers.
That's cool.
Alright, let's go! Man, that was an awesome deal! I'm gonna do a review.
Our application allows the user to check up-to-date reviews of the UW Plaza stores. The user can also add their own review, and in the future will have the option of sending a private feedback message to the store owner. This meets our goal of improving business customer relations by improving communication between the business owner and client, thus also improving their sales.